There is a single building in a quiet Dutch town called Veldhoven. It doesn't look like much. Low gray walls, a parking lot. And yet, if this one building stopped working tomorrow, the entire modern world would slowly grind to a halt. The company is called ASML. And here is the number that should stop you cold. ASML controls 100% of the market for the machines that print the world's most advanced computer chips. Not 80%, not 95, 100. So what does this machine actually do? A computer chip is just a small piece of silicon with patterns carved into it. The smaller you carve those patterns, the more powerful the chip becomes. Today's most advanced chips have features about 25,000 times thinner than a human hair. Here is how the machine works. Inside, a droplet of molten tin is dropped through a vacuum. A laser hits it twice, vaporizing it into plasma. That plasma reaches around 220,000 degrees Celsius, roughly 40 times hotter than the surface of the sun. And this happens 50,000 times every second. One engineer described the precision like this. It's like standing on Earth, shining a flashlight, and hitting a coin placed on the moon. 50,000 times a second, without ever missing. But generating the light is only half the miracle. This light is so fragile, it's absorbed by air, even by glass. So you can't use lenses, you have to use mirrors, in a vacuum. If you scaled one of these mirrors to the size of Germany, the largest bump would be a fraction of a millimeter. A smoothness measured in atoms. So why can't someone else just build one? Money isn't the problem. The answer is time. ASML spent more than 30 years and over 40 billion euros getting here, relying on around 800 specialist suppliers. You cannot download that knowledge. You cannot steal it. You cannot compress 3 decades into a few years. And these machines are not cheap. A single unit can cost between $200 and $400 million. They're shipped in multiple aircraft and take months to assemble, and still, every advanced chipmaker lines up to buy them. TSMC, Samsung, Intel. They have no choice. There is no other door. Now, a marvel of engineering becomes a matter of national security. Because ASML sits at this choke point, the United States pressured the Netherlands to block sales of the most advanced machines to China. China has poured tens of billions into building its own version. Most estimates say they remain at least a decade behind. And that brings us to the uncomfortable truth. We've built the entire digital world on a supply chain with a single point of failure. The mirrors come from one place, the lasers from another. Remove any one link, and the whole chain is threatened. This is what engineers call fragility. So the next time you unlock your phone or ask an AI a question, remember the invisible thread that connects all of it back to one gray building in the Netherlands. Quiet, invisible, and absolute. Because the most fragile parts of our world are often the ones we never look at. And now, you know where to look.